This video consists of 24 multiple choice questions on MS Word, which can be very helpful to you for any competitive exam. So let's begin with the first question. First question is, Microsoft Word is a, the options are word processing program, B, spreadsheet program, C, presentation program, D, none of the above. The correct answer is A, that is word processing program. Next question is, dash option is used to insert a pre-designed table in your document. The options are table grid, insert table, quick table, draw table. The correct answer is C, that is quick table. So quick table option is used to insert pre-designed table in your document. The third question is, word wrap means, the options are aligning text with the right margin, inserting spaces between words, moving text automatically to the next line, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, that is moving text automatically to the next line. Next question is, split cells and merge is present in which tab of MS Word? The options are A, insert, B, home, C, layout, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is C, that is layout. Next question, here one symbol is given and this symbol in MS Word is known as, the options are A, table resize handle, B, table move handle, C, table insert handle, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is table move handle. So this table move handle is there at the top of a table which we create, and that can be used to move the handle from one place to another place in a page. Next question is, mail merge option is present in which tab? The options are mailings tab, insert tab, design tab, none of these. The correct answer is A, that is mailings tab. Next question is, dash is a row on a data sheet which consists of number of fields. The options are field, record, database, and D, none of the above. The correct answer is B, that is record. We know that if we create a database or a data sheet in Word, so that will consist of many columns which will have different fields. So if we are taking a particular row, so that will contain all the fields. For instance, suppose if we are entering roll number, name, marks of a student, then in a row it will consist of all the fields which we have created. Next question is, document can be zoomed maximum up to, options are 100%, 200%, 400%, and 500%. The correct answer is D, that is 500%. Next question, what is the smallest and largest font size available in font size on formatting toolbar? The options are 8 and 72, B 8 and 70, C 8 and 82, D 10 and 72. The correct answer is A, that is 8 and 72. Next question is, document can be zoomed out up to 10%, 5%, 15%, or none of the above. Zoomed out means up to which extent we can make it of minimum size. So the correct answer is A, that is 10%. So this up to 10% we can make it small and see the document. Next question is, shortcut key used to select all contents of page. In a page, which key can be used to select all the contents? The shortcut keys given are Ctrl plus P, Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus L, none of these. The correct answer is Ctrl plus A. Next question is, shortcut key used to indent a paragraph. Indent means to provide space between the paragraphs. The options are Control plus I, Control plus P, Control plus M, none of these. The correct answer is C, that is Control plus M. Next question is, to select the line or paragraph of text, the mouse is double clicked, single clicked, triple clicked, or none of the above. Means if we have written a paragraph like this, then to select the entire paragraph, here we will double click, at the end double click, single click, or triple click. The correct answer is C, that is triple click. Next question, to convert text from uppercase to lowercase, we use, options are Shift plus F3, Shift plus F4, Shift plus F6, Shift plus F2. The correct answer is A, that is Shift plus F3. This option is used to change the case of a text. Next question is, what is the shortcut key to show font dialog box? Options are Control plus D, Control plus F, Control plus E, and none of this. The correct answer is A, that is Control plus D. Next question, which is the default alignment in Word? Options are left, right, center, justify. The correct answer is A, that is left. So text is left aligned by default in Word. Next question, file extension for Word in is .docs, .docx, .txt, none of these. The correct answer is .docx. Next question, portrait and landscape are paper size, page layout, page orientation, page margin. The correct answer is C, that is page orientation. Next question, the spelling and grammar tool indicates grammatical errors, corrects spellings errors as you type, identifies words with capitalization problems, all of the above. So the answer for this is D, that is all of the above. So spelling and grammar tool can do all of these. Next question, which function key is used to spell check? So we can say, what is the shortcut key to check spell check? The options are F6, F4, F7, F8. So correct answer is C, that is F7. Next question, drag and drop allows you to switch from insert to overtype mode, move and copy text using the mouse, move and copy text using the clipboard, open a new document and drop it into the active document. The correct answer is move and copy text using the mouse. So this drag and drop can be used to move and copy your text. Next question, which of the following is not option for changing the case of the text? So we have several case of text, like we have uppercase, lowercase, then sentence case, title case. So the correct answer, the options for these are indent case, sentence case, toggle case, lowercase. The correct answer for this is indent case. So there is no option of indent case, and the rest options are present in MS Word. Next question, a number or letter that appears little below the normal text is called subscript, superscript, subtext, or supertext. The correct answer is A, that is subscript. So if it is below the text, then that is subscript, and if it is above the text, then it is called as superscript. Next question is, how many columns we can insert in table in MS Word? The options are 55, 50, 63 and 40. The correct answer is C, that is 63. So we can insert up to 63 columns if we create a table in MS Word. So this is all for this video. Again, I will collect some more questions which I will show you in the next video.